Hi, Group 1. This is Mrs. Nelson. We are going to be working on subtraction. So, grab a piece of notebook paper and write down the problem that I'm giving you. You need to write this down. Okay? So, write down 80, taking out of 80, 100, taking out 16. Okay? So now when you're doing this, you have to make sure that you're looking at the problem. You are asking yourself, if I have $80 and I have to take 16 away, can I do that? So if you look at the ones place right here, we're looking at the ones place. We're looking at the ones place only. So we're looking here. We have to decide, if I have no money, can I take 6 out? Well, no, you cannot. So you cross that off and you cross this off. You can't do it. So then I borrow from the 8 and it becomes a 7. The 7, I put the 1 next to the 0 and it becomes 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 10 take away 6 is 4. 7 take away 1 is 6. Okay? Now, that's a little bit different than if you're working the problem. Write this down. 74 minus 36. You look at 4. If I have 4, can I take 6 away? You cannot. So you have to borrow from the 7 and it becomes a 6. The 4 becomes a 14. 14 taking away 6, okay, is going to be, so 14, 12, 11, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So that'll be 8. 6 minus 3 is 3. Those are your two different problem scenarios that you could possibly have. Remember, you put the one that you borrow next to it. So let's take a look at another problem here. So you have 70 minus 32. So then here, we're looking at this row. We go top to bottom, right to left. So we start with 0 and we have to take 2 away. You cannot do that. So you have to borrow. And I go and I borrow from the 7 and it becomes a 6 and I put the 1 that I took away from the 6 that made it 7 next to the 0 and it becomes 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay. Then we have 84 minus 29. Okay, and we're looking left. We're looking on the left-hand side, so left to right. So we're going to work the problem this direction. Okay, so if I have 4, can I take 9 away? I cannot take 4 and give away 9. So I have to borrow from the 8. It becomes a 7. I put the 1 next to the 4, just like I did the 0. I put the 1 next to the 0 and it became 10. Put the 1 next to the 4 and it becomes 14. So 14 take away 9 is 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. Those are your two scenarios. I need you to work group 1, independent work. Choose 2 problems. Turn them into the red pouch. Turn this piece of paper that you just wrote all the problems on into your red pouch. Questions, concerns, please come see me. Thank you.